Imagine yourself in this Jeep 2018 Renegade Latitude. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Enjoy these notable features: tires 215/60 R17 BSWS Touring, black premium cloth bucket seats, granite crystal metallic clear coat, transmission, 9-speed 940 ATE automatic included, vinyl shift knob, wheels, 17 inches x 7.0 aluminum, quick quarter package 27J included, engine 2.4 Li4 multi-air transmission, 9-speed 940 ATE automatic, 3.734 final drive ratio, passive entry remote start package included, remote start system passive entry keyless go and engine, 2.4 Li4 multi-air included, 3.734 final drive ratio wheels, 17 inches x 7.0 aluminum engine oil cooler flex fuel vehicle tires, 215